Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create restore points on the computer or laptop. And now, I'm using Windows 10, but if you use Windows 11, then it's just do the same steps. And the reason that I recommend you to create restore point on your computer or your laptop is protecting your data. For example, if one day your computer or your laptop got error, or you lost your personal data that you can't access it, then you can come here to restore your computer back to this point, and every data or setting will restore back to this point. So I think it's very important. So now, let's go to create restore point. First, go to your search bar and search for create restore point. Then click create. Then you should give it a name that make you easy to remember the day that you created. And after you gave it a name, then click on create. Then it will take you a few seconds to finish your creating. Okay, now your creating is successfully. Then just close the tab. And now, I will show you how to restore your computer or your laptop. Just go to your search bar and search for restore point. Then click on System Restore. And click Next. Then you will see all your restore points that you have created here. Then select one restore point that you want to restore on your computer or your laptop, and click Next. And here, when you click on Finish, then your computer will start restore everything back to this point. But in some case, if your computer or your laptop got error, and you cannot access to your computer, then just go to the System Troubleshoot. Then click on Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. And you will see System Restore option, just click on it. Then click Next. Then you can get access to restore your computer or your laptop as well. And after you finished restore it, then everything will be back to work as normal. Okay, thanks for watching. And if you like this video, then make sure you click on the like button and subscribe to this channel. See you very soon. Bye for now.